Hey guys, it's day 8. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new integration, Mailchimp. Highly requested from a lot of our marketers. This one here is going to help you turn your AI agents into those email marketing assistants. And it's so easy to set up. I'm going to jump into this fresh account to show you how easy. I'm going to head into my workspace, click over into integrations, and then Mailchimp. And I'm going to hit connect to workspace. Now it's super simple, a couple of clicks. I'm going to type in my email and then password and allow. It's super simple. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to click allow here and Auth handles everything. No API keys to copy, no credentials to manage. The platform handles token refreshes automatically. So I'm going to head over now onto the 12 Days of Christmas account where we're all set up. There's a ton of ways that you can use this integration, so I highly recommend you checking out our blog to see each of the actions that are possible. You've got things like managing mailing lists, adding and updating subscribers, creating and monitoring campaigns, applying tags and segmentation, as well as pulling list statistics and insights. Today I'm just going to highlight 2 of my favorite actions, which I think are super helpful and really powerful agents. Now I'm going to jump into the 8th Day of Christmas workspace and I'm going to create a new agent. Now with the brand new feature, Agent Creator, it is super simple to create your own agent within seconds. So I'm going to use the voice input here to describe what I want. I want to create a smart customer lookup agent using my Mailchimp account. When a customer reaches out, I want to know if they're already on our list and what their status is. So we put that into the Agent Creator, and now it's going to fill out this custom agent section completely on its own. Let's watch it work. Awesome. So you can see it's picked up the Mailchimp integration, which is already connected, and looks like we're ready to go. You can check here that it's done everything that you want it to do. If you have some feedback, if there are more things you need to add, then you can keep working with the Agent Creator. But let's go ahead and create this agent, and I'm going to save it to my 8th Day of Christmas workspace. Awesome. I'm going to pop in my email now because I know that I am on that list. And let's see what information we can get from the customer lookup. And we've just made a Mailchimp account this morning because we don't actually use Mailchimp or Autohive. But for the purpose of this demo, we're going to pull my information, which will hopefully say that I am on the list. Amazing. So found my email address, I'm subscribed, I'm in the Autohive list, my first and last name. And then we can continue working with this agent here if you want to update the details, you want to check another address, you want to update the subscription preferences of this customer. It's a great way to find out lots of information. Perhaps if you have a support ticket coming through that you want to make sure that you have all the information correct about this user. Now, that's agent number 1. Agent number 2, we're going to create another custom agent. I'm going to go back into my 8th Day of Christmas workspace and I'm going to create agent. Once again, I'm just going to use the amazing Agent Creator function because it is so much faster than I could ever be. Great. I want to create an agent to help marketing managers stay on top of their Mailchimp campaigns, provide information about campaign performance, email lists, cover subscription counts, open rates, click rates, and recent campaign results in a really easy to read format. The voice input is also amazing. Great feature to add to make a really quick experience even faster. It's amazing. So let's watch it work. And again, we can check the summary from the agent creator, make sure it's nailed everything that we've asked for. We can work back and forth, ask for more input, we can clean things up, and you can also come back later and use the agent creator to edit this agent. It's super helpful. It also has some great suggestions at the end here, which often help you to really improve that agent. But for now, we're going to hit create and we're going to throw this into the Christmas workspace. Great. Okay, so what I'm interested in here is seeing a list of all the recent campaigns in Mailchimp. So let's use the voice input and get it done. I want to see a list of all campaigns within this account. I probably could have typed that. Amazing. So it's connecting up to the integration and it's retrieving a list of the campaigns from the Mailchimp account. Now, because this was a demo account built this morning, our stats are not going to be great, but let's have a look. Total campaigns. All right, so we've sent one. We've got 3 drafts going. When were they created? How many emails were they sent? It's got a bit of a breakdown of the subject line. You can also do some edits in here. So if I see that I've got a draft email, I've got 3 draft emails in there at the moment, I can change the headline. I can write some different text for the inside of the email. I can do some edits from Autohive right now. Then it will also have me drill down into the, well, let's have a look. Show me the results of the welcome email. Amazing. So there it is. You've got all your performance metrics broken down. You've got a bit of an analysis. You've got recommendations. And then it can also expand on that, show you who it was sent to, who engaged the most. And you can just keep working with these agents to really understand where your emails are going, how they're landing, what we can do better to improve that engagement. So that's the Mailchimp integration. Automatic lead capture, instant customer context, self-service subscription management, on-demand reporting. You can do it all without leaving Autohive. It's amazing. So make sure you connect your account today and let your agents handle all that busy work. All right. See you guys back tomorrow for day 9 of 12 Days of Christmas.